Alright, so we're going to talk about modeling data with lines. So here I got one set of data on the scatter plot there, and I got two lines, a pink one and a blue one. And I need to decide which line is better. So if you look, that blue line goes through one of the points. It's got 3 points above it and 2 below it. But if you look, it's not really modeling the data there. The pink line goes through one of the points as well. It's got 3 above it and 2 below it. It's kind of above that point just a little bit. It doesn't quite go all the way through it. So really you could say there's 3 above it and 3 below it. So the points are much closer to that pink line. So the pink line is going to be the better line. And it's better because the values are closer to the line. Now, if we want to go ahead and predict what's going to happen, so at 7, what will our value be? So to do that, we just look at 7, go straight up, so we're going to be right about there, we're going to go over, so at 7, we're going to be about 60. So that's kind of how you pick the best line, and then you can use a line to predict what's going to happen. Alright, and if we had chose the blue line, let's look at what happened at 7 on the blue line. So if we go up to the blue line and then go over, we'd only be about 40. So there's a big difference between 60 and 40. So that's why it's important to pick the correct line, because your estimates are going to be very different if you don't pick the correct trend line. So you want a trend line that the points are closest to the trend line and that's going in the correct direction. These are both going in the correct direction. They're both positive, but the pink line just is a better representation of that data. And just to refresh yourself, oops, wrong color. This first one is going to be a positive trend. Second one, our trend line, looks something like that, would be negative. And the last one, the pink there would be no trend, because I can't put a line in there to represent the data.